How to tape a drywall joints an easy way. Subscribe for more videos. When you are looking to finish your interior walls and ceilings with drywall, you have the option to have it installed by experienced drywall installers or have it installed yourself. Hanging drywall is easier and simpler than other interior finishing materials, so you can definitely do it yourself if you want to save more money on drywall installation. This way, you can use your savings to some other home improvement projects that you might want to consider. After you are done hanging the drywall, the next and final finishing step is the mudding and taping. Some find this a bit tricky, but others would find it even simpler than hanging drywall itself. If you know what to do and if you have the drywall taping tools ready, then you can possibly finish your walls and ceilings the way you wanted them to be. Proper mudding and taping will allow a perfectly spotless and smoothly finished drywall installation. In taping drywall joints, you will need drywall tape, drywall knives in 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches or 12 inches, sandpaper or drywall sander, and the ready, mixed joint compound. With your 6 inches corner knife, start spreading a thin coat of mud into the joints where the edges of the drywall sheets meet. Apply the tape over the mud and press it tightly into the joint with the corner knife. Smooth out the edges with a downward movement of the corner knife to allow excess mud under the tape to come out for a smoother finish. Leave it to dry overnight. When the mud over the tape is thoroughly dried, remove small bumps with your 8 inches knife or sandpaper, scraping or sanding lightly. Then apply the next coat of mud over the dried tape, 6 inches to 8 inches wider this time. Again, allow it to dry overnight. Repeat the same procedure with the last coat, using your largest knife. Spread a 12 inches wide thin coat evenly and let it stand to dry again overnight. To finally finish your taped drywall, sanding is the last step in the procedure. To make sanding a whole lot easier for you, most especially if the area is wide, sandpaper is not enough. Drywall sanders with vacuum attachments are available for easier, quicker and less messy sanding of your drywall. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.